Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Wednesday again, middle of the week. We had some volatility, but overnight in the middle of the night, actually for me, didn't manage to take advantage properly. I had some limit orders. I'm in profit, but well, it's a difference between a trade you put there and when you are scalping alive. Good morning, Christian. Hey, Sebastian. Hey, Bukur. Hey, Robert. Hey, Ivan. Hey, Ricky. We have sound. We have quality video. I don't know exactly. I'll wait a little bit until I'll get your answer, and then I'll go on Bitcoin on daily. Okay, thank you, Bukur. So, short, let's start with Bitcoin on higher time frame, daily chart. We are damn close to do the Wyckoff check I was speaking about a long time ago when the market was in the top. Yeah. I said that long reload zone, Wyckoff check, all-time high from 2021. Too many confluences here. Well, finally, step by step, we are reaching that level. Well, we are damn close to reach that level. It's a good lesson for all the people in crypto traders arena and not only, to see how the markets are moving. You can see. It's not going straight down. Not every time it's going straight down. Stepping down. Yeah? And we are making lower highs and lower lows. That's why when you see lower highs and lower lows, try to stay with the trend. At least if you are bullish, if you are actually in a weekly chart, we are in a uptrend. When you see the correction like this, at least don't try too long. Wait for the correction to be done, for W's and so on. We are damn close, in my opinion, in my humble opinion, that we are close to a bottom here. Trump unleashed his power with a lot of financial war. Let's call him financial war. China is fighting back, and Bitcoin is staying above 70k. Come on, people. Years ago, this will push the Bitcoin all the way down to, I don't know, half of the price. And now, Bitcoin doesn't care too much. Come on, this is the move we have with their financial war. Now, what we can do here? I think we are creating liquidity above this Wyckoff check level. I think we'll have maybe one more push here. People expect that the market will come here and straight go up to 100k. Well, it's not that easy. I'm expecting long consolidation here. Weeks. Not months, but maybe months. I don't know. That's Bitcoin. So overall on higher time frame, we are making lower lows. Okay. We have some potential bullish divergence forming. You can see here. So not a good moment to be bearish here. When you see market pushing lower in indicators creating potential divergence, it's better to stay the fuck out. At least. Even here, take a look. Even here we have something. We need to zoom in a bit closer, but look at this. This is a low and this is a higher low. And this is a low and this is a lower low. Okay? When we'll accept above this high, we'll have a confirmed bullish divergence on daily on OBV, which is not a small signal. So please don't be on the short side here. Please don't be on the short side if you are a swing trader, if you are a position trader. It's too late to be short. If you are a day trader, you don't fucking care. You are long, you are short, you are here to make money on 5-minute chart. Okay. If you want to help us a little bit, if you like this content, you can hit the like button, as always, but what we recommend every time is to repost this tweet. That will help us a little bit more. I'll post the link here. Reposting this one will make us more visible, and maybe some people will like our content and will want to join us. I would prefer a slow and clear process, people to join us, avoiding moon boys that they want to give me signals, sir. You know the drill. Okay, let's go back on the charts. Now, Bitcoin, we can look at the other template. I was drawing something here, a potential inverse head and shoulder. We are on that direction. We are trying to do that. I'm assuming a bit too much, like I said yesterday. I'm assuming a bit too much here. I have a shoulder and forming the head. But if you want to stay in front of the markets, you want to assume some things and you want to take the bets where you have an advantage. So, on daily, maybe even 4-hour chart, I want to see the market here making a W, or at least a 3-bar fractal. Okay? I'm paying attention between, I don't know, below 73,500. Below that price, if I'll see a W on 4-hour chart, or a 3-bar fractal on daily, I'll try to be aggressive and try to get that potential bottom. I will succeed, I don't know. It's up to the market. I'll be here and I'll hunt, but the rest is not up to me. Now, let's take a look at Ethereum. Well, weak as fuck, but we know that Ethereum is weak. Nothing we can do about it. It's not up to us. But if we'll zoom out a little bit and we look left, we took a lot of liquidity here. Now the market is pushing to take this liquidity point. And that will mean we'll retest this initial W on daily. I think it's even a weekly W there. Let's check. Yeah, even a weekly W retest. Okay? So we are retesting. Again, not a good moment to be bearish on Ethereum. I'm dollar cost averaging below $2,000. The lower, the better. Don't think I want $2,000 to buy at 2,000. No, but I'm dollar cost averaging below that. If we'll go to 1,000 dollar cost average, if we'll go to $100 cost average, you get the idea. The lower, the better. But as you can see on weekly, I'm expecting somewhere in here, maybe a bit lower, I don't know exactly, a W, a weekly W on daily. So we established that this is a weekly W. This is a weekly W here. So we have a really nice area where the market said, well, fuck it, I want higher. What are the chances that in the same area here from 1,000 to 1,400 to get the next bottom? I think pretty high. Okay? So, yeah, will not happen today, will not be a 5-minute chart, will not be, I don't know, something really fast, but it's something we should pay attention. Because every time we had a nice W on Ethereum on daily chart, that produced a nice result, almost every time. Let's look left again. You can see W, this produced a 2 or 3, 2.5 to 1. No W here. W, big W here. Look at the result. Breakout, retest, give us a second chance, which it's hard to find on Ethereum. Ethereum doesn't give too many retests. And if you took this level in 2023, well, look at the result. You never touched this level until now. Not even now. And the risk reward is great here. Similar, I see opportunity here on Ethereum. Yeah, I'm not catching falling knives. I'll wait for that W. But I'm hunting and I'm paying attention every day to see what's happening on Ethereum market. Okay? Well, 24, 25 people and 12 likes. Well, I'm not feeding myself with likes. I pay my bills with money from trading. But if you want, you can hit the like button. Now, let's go on the next one. we said Ethereum, we said Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance. We retested this week. We are in 78.6. On lower time frame, we had a potential YAM there. I was speaking about yesterday in the live stream, in the New York live stream. Let's zoom in. So we have 78.6. You can see here an YAM. Actually, it's a range. It's going sideways. Could transform itself. You can see we had a potential YAM here, and look what happened. Potential, no. It's a double up. We can have the same scenario. Could be an A, B equals CD. And we'll point out to 64 or 64.5. I'm not too interested in seeing W's there because I don't want to short altcoins. I'm interested to watch when I'll get a clear EM. I'll start with 4 hour, but I prefer a daily EM. If I'll see a daily EM in this area, from this area higher, if I'll see a daily EM, that will be the signal for a potential altcoin season. That's the best signal, people, to get the altcoin season, when altcoin season is starting. Okay? You can tell me all the indicators you want, but this is the best signal. You don't believe me? Well, put the chart on daily. Okay? Put the chart on daily and watch for daily W's. Okay? Daily M's, sorry. You have to go on when we had altcoin season, but you'll see. Now, on daily, I don't have that yet. But I think we are close to one. We are at 63. Some people say, well, we'll hit 70% dominance. It's possible. I'm not saying it's not possible. But level by level approach, from my perspective, is telling me to watch here. Because that's the market is showing me. If the market will push higher, then I'll watch the next level. So that's my opinion about Bitcoin dominance. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, nothing I could tell you about. Yeah, good level for investors, shit for the rest of us. Nothing we can do here. Making lower lows, we need W's. We need daily W's and we need weekly W's to say that, well, Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin. Vitalik should start doing something. I don't see anything from his side. Okay? He did a lot of took a lot of bad decisions because the politicians said so. He saw Elon Musk saying that, well, the environment, and other people said, well, the environment, the mining, it's a problem. And he switched to proof of stake. And you can see Bitcoin, because it's proof of work and has a cost of production, is pushing higher and higher. And Ethereum is going shit. Vitalik wanted to be environmentally friendly. Well, fuck it, Vitalik. Yeah, it's up to him. Well, I think Vitalik is a lot smarter than me. Yeah, I know to make money from trading. He knows to do a lot of things. What he does, it's up to him. My job is to make money from trading. So I don't want to judge Vitalik. I just my 2 cents that he did a wrong turn with the proof of stake. Okay. Now, total market cap, we can take a look. It's in the long reload zone, so from now on we can think about W's, similar, like I said, on the market. Total 3 similar. Maybe we'll go a bit lower to Wyckoff check this level. Maybe, who knows? Yeah. And this area, 600 billion, sorry. 650 billion will be a good area to get a W. For the moment, we have lower highs and lower lows. Okay. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on CME. Okay. Well, someone, Bukur, when you see me online, not now, but when you see me online, remember me to pay the fucking CME subscription, because I have a delay. I don't need it, but it's ugly just to see it, knowing that I'm 10 minutes late. You can see what I see here. Wyckoff check, 2021, long reload zone, No W yet. We are still fucking around in these two gaps, two areas. Nothing special. On CME, if you see a W, like on classic chart, will be similar. It's the same asset. Yes. Well, we had the dead cat bounce from the blue area. If you remember, we discussed it. And look what's happening. We are retesting the lower part of the channel. 4669 is doing its job. I'm not expecting lower actually here. What I'm expecting here is something ugly, something like this, people. Something like this, and then up again. So at least this month, maybe my drawings are too wide, but I'm expecting some fuckeries here and then up. With a proper SFU, of course, we should touch this line and scare everyone once more so we get rid of the retail, and retail will say, well, the world will end tomorrow. You know, they are scaring everyone, making room for their friend Warren Buffett to buy. Who thinks that Warren Buffett is not an insider doesn't know what's talking about. Yeah? Who doesn't know what, who has shares on Warren Buffett doesn't know what it's talking about. Okay? Warren Buffett is put in the front of the lines in the newspapers, and well, the genius from Oklahoma, and come on, people, research a little bit, put your tinfoil hat a little bit, not too much, you'll find out. Okay, now they'll make room for them to buy cheap, and they have the power to push the market back up. What do you think? Now Trump is saying, well, I should sell, I should buy, or knows exactly what will happen. He has the power to move the markets up or down. Yeah, it's possible that's house level, Jade. It's possible to. If you'll accept below this level, yeah, we can go here. It's possible, why not? It's possible, and that will coincide with the 78.6. Yeah, you can see you'll be in the long reload zone here. So if I'll switch this fib for a long reload zone, okay, there you go. And that will be the low from 22 until the high, and this will be the long reload zone. It's possible, yeah, we have a lot of support here. If things will go bad, yeah, we can stay here for some time. But level by level, Jade, level by level. For the moment, we are in the pump chaser zone. Let's respect that pump chaser zone. We are 20%, usually they call a recession 20%. 20, 25, well, the end is, you see everyone panicking, public, not the insiders. And usually it's enough for people to panic again and them to buy the dip and then transfer the wealth from the majority of the people to them, and okay, let's start over again. Because that's the purpose, people. Imagine, don't think it's, well, the market is moving. No. They are taking the money from the stupid or from the retail to them. Yeah, inflation and the market, they are two tools they use to get richer and richer and keep the majority of the people in a bad situation, so they will accept everything they'll say. Come on. Too much ranting. Okay, let's go on something else. Yeah, so I'm expecting fuckery here. Now, altcoins, well, you can see some of them are green, some of them, they are trying to form a bottom, and I think will form the bottom. I really think in this area will form daily, weekly Ws. But I think and I see them, it's totally different. So until I'll see the daily Ws and weekly Ws, I'm not calling a bottom. I think we are close to that area at least. I'm waiting for the daily Ws. I'm waiting for the weekly Ws. I'm investing on a higher time frame. For example, I bought again with the last chance challenge, bought another round of 50 coins, small amounts, nothing fancy, but I'm there. I'm participating and I'm accumulating altcoins here. I don't care that everyone is yelling on YouTube, on Twitter, it's over, we'll go to zero. I don't fucking care. I respect my plan. So investors, high time frame traders, players, okay, you have something. Lower time frame, 4 hour and daily, you have location. And that's it. Location and some divergence on some cases. But you don't have price action, the last reason. You don't have structure, you don't have Ws. And we are forced, most of us, we are forced to wait for the structure. Okay? Shopping week, Robert, not shopping day, shopping week. Last 3 weeks, Robert, I used the last chance challenge coins to buy 1 round more. And every week I bought a little bit. Yeah? If next week will be the same or will be lower, I'll buy another round. Simple as that. If Bitcoin will accept below the Wyckoff check level, I will be able to take some money from my reserves and buy more, with the condition to sell half on a double and put my money back as fast as possible. Now, that's the overview. I talked a bit too much about the overview. Let's talk about what we presented yesterday, what I did yesterday for framing the market on lower time frame, and what we have now. So yesterday I said about Bitcoin, I'll play the shark because I have the house level here, shark. I think it's a good level. The market will go straight for the shark. And you can see what happened. We are close to get a 1-to-1 level. I don't know exactly if we reached 1-to-1. I think we did. Let's see. Or almost that level. Let me check. 95. Not quite. Sorry. But if you'll see the market pushing once more here in the London session, you can make it risk-free. You get the idea. Okay. Now, what you can do here on Bitcoin? Actually, nothing. Why? If you took the trade, okay. If you didn't took it, you should wait for a W. Or now, if this one will fail, you can play the SFU. Pretty simple. If you are in the market, you can play the SFU. If you know how to play the SFP, SFU setup. So, if you are not in the long, I suggest to stay the fuck out and play this one if will be the case. If you want to short, well, now you can play the 81. That's a good SFU level. Again, SFU level. If the market will push all the way up, well, you have the shark there. I still have the shark. It's still valid. The shark is valid until we'll break this low. Then I'll have to cancel it and redo it again if I want. But as long as this low is holding, the fib is okay and the shark is valid. Okay? Morning, Albert. So that's about Bitcoin. I could see here fuckery. Range with SFUs. So high 81, low 84, 600 and fuckery here. Testing this level, short. Testing the lows, long, and so on. For today at least. Tomorrow, maybe it will be different. Ethereum. On Ethereum, because it was weaker than the rest, and I saw that rejected from the dump chaser zone, I said, well, we don't want to play the shark. Even shark is too aggressive. Let's play the SFU. Because I was in the middle of the night and I wanted to give an idea for everyone, I put the classic one. Because a textbook or the other version of the SFU is a bit different. This one assumes that until here, testing of DCM was the POC at some point in time. I'll take the entry here. I'll calculate the take profit area here and I'll put a 2-to-1. You can see we are in profit. Some people even said, well, thank you, Paul, free money. They are not free money. They are the money you work for. You put the limit order, that's your job, you did it, you are making money. Make it risk free as soon as possible. I don't know. Moving stop loss at scratch, I think, is not a bad idea. If the market will come back down here, I think we'll make new lows. So I think it's safe enough to move your stop there. It's up to you how you manage the position. Come on, people. It's a live stream free for everyone. I don't think it's the case to micromanage your position. If I give you the right idea and you accept it, you are okay with it, and you take it, after you have the trade, it's up to you how you manage. Okay, now that's Ethereum. Hype, you know, I tried to put a trade on hype. Well, you can see. Motherfucker didn't want to give me 61.8. Front run my level. I still have the order there because it's still valid. If we'll take this high, then I have to rethink everything. But as long as this high is valid, I'm still waiting at a 61.8. Actually, it's a SS setup. And if you remember, yesterday in the live stream I made before Stefan was live streaming, I said about hype. Watch out hype because it's looking tasty. It's the strongest one. And was stronger than we think. I don't know if Stefan managed to take this level. I had this here. I didn't took it because I was waiting here at 61.8. Yeah. So people, this is looking like a not the inverse head and shoulder here because it's not, but it's stronger than the rest, at least for the moment. I don't know, Bukur, you are here? I'm still short on Ripple for our chart. Okay, Solana, let's take a look. Nothing special on Solana. Nothing special. It's on higher time frame for hour and daily. It's in a long reload zone, but actually you can see it's fucking accepting below this 110, which is not a good sign. I'm joking, Bukor. You managed to be risk free on that trade, so you didn't lose money. You're okay. Here is accepting below 110. So now it's accepting below 110, it's 100 it's support, 110 is resistance. If we'll accept back, maybe this W worth a try from 111 and stop loss all the way down at 95, $15. And the right conditions could be okay. But I don't want to trade it for the moment. Tao, below 200, it's accepting below 200, nah, the best idea. If you'll see W's on 4-hour chart or daily, yeah, but I don't suggest to go lower than 4-hour chart, people, on shitcoins. Yeah, they are strong, I know, they are the best, I know, they are still shitcoins. So please, don't go lower than 4-hour chart to fuck around with them. If you want to be a day trader, take Bitcoin, take Ethereum, go on traditional market. You saw Stefan is trading gold on BinJix, or how the fuck is called that exchange. Maybe if I have time to make a plan, I don't have time for the moment, but if I'll have time, maybe I'll do the same. Maybe I'll do more than that. For the moment, I don't have time. So, Tao, Sol, the rest of them, they are trying. Litecoin, shark level. Shark level in the trend line here. Maybe it's time to pay attention. Not quite, but if you'll see a clear W, maybe Litecoin could do something. $70 is pretty cheap for a Litecoin. Rest of them, well, not too many things we can say about them, people. Yes, testing the lows. We talked about. I don't see W's, I don't see anything. We just close this gap. Dead cat bounce. One more SFU to scare everyone, to tell them, well, we'll go to the moon, and actually was the SFU. A really nice price action here on lower time frame for traditional market traders. If you know how to trade, you can make nice money here. Nice money. CME, Bitcoin, well, I have a delay of 10 minutes. I don't think it's valid to talk about day trading. Dimension making, trying to make some W's, everything, almost everything they are trying. In the last dip they made a higher low, so we can see today or maybe tomorrow a W on 4-hour chart on some altcoins. Yes, we can. Yeah. Short plan for Sol? You want me, Jay, to kick you out? You really want to kick you out from Crypto Traders Arena? I'm blabbing away for nothing here. You didn't short at 260, you didn't short at 200, you didn't short at 150, you want to short at 100. Solana. Come on. You are on the wrong side of the market. You see the fear in the market and you are getting FOMO on the wrong direction. Jade, you are not allowed to short. You are learning Cap 101. You are not allowed to even use leverage for the moment. Shorting Solana at 100. The big guys are buying and you are shorting. Come on. I was joking, no, with kicking you out. It's just a way of saying, but you get the idea. People are waiting, well, if I'll get Solana at 100, I'll buy the shit out of it on spot, of course. And you paper. Why you should paper something that doesn't have an advantage? I'll paper trade something that I want to trade with real money after that. What's the purpose of paper trading? To learn. Okay. So, if we'll see W's, like Dimension, if Dimension will do a W, most of them will do the same. Yeah? You can see here. One, neckline, right shoulder. If we'll do something like this, then feel free to take this level, the retest, maybe even the breakout, but could be a fake out, so maybe breakout and then retest. Take that on Dimension or other altcoins. Swing traders. That's your area. Okay? It's Wednesday. Could be boring. I don't know. Lately with all the things Trump is doing, we don't know if it's Monday, if it's Tuesday. He's posting whenever he wants. He's changing. He's not. The market is not respecting the ways is usually working. Yeah. And you know, people, the TA is working best in absence of fundamental events. Now we have all kind of news and all kind of... We have to change a little bit. You saw me on Bitcoin. I didn't play Mountain Man. I played directly the Shark. On Ethereum, I said, well, not even Shark. Give me SFU. So I'm adapting to the markets. Well, it's a good idea until you'll have Aurora, JD, until you have 1,000, 2,000 trades under your belt. It's preferably not too short. Yeah. Okay. That being said, I don't know if you have any requests. I see something else here. Yeah, Stefan is trading gold. Tag Life is saying Farcoin. Well, enjoy it if you want. You'll not see the Farcoin chart on this live stream anymore. I told you last time. I'll look at the market and I'll never put it back. Farcoin is pumping because a lot of stupid influencers, people, are shilling it. Okay? That's why the price is moving, not because Fart has any value or has a strong community or is developing. No, because a lot of stupid influencers are talking about and keeping the people focused on Farcoin. And until Farcoin will go belly up, I don't think we'll have a fucking bottom, honestly. Okay? It's still, the stupid money are still here. If they are buying and shilling Farcoin and are trading Farcoin, that means the stupidity didn't left the market. As a fun, not even that. Not even that, Sebastian. Not in my culture, not in my mind. CRV is at the same level like last time. Okay, I'll take a look. Huh? You can see, he's trying to do the same W like everything else. It's a bit stronger than the rest. It's okay, but it's CRV is usually more stable. That doesn't make it stronger, just more stable. It's not participating in the dumps so much. You can see here. So we respected this one, rejected from 61.8, was a nice trade. Now rejected from 78.6, easy to trade. You can see, you play the mountain man, you got the 2-to-1. You play the shark, you have 1-to-1, so you can move your stop to scratch. Now he's trying to make a double. It's above the long reload zone, so maybe wait a little bit. Okay. You can see even a trend line. It's a valid DM here. W the other side. I think it's a range. It's going sideways. Okay, 35 minutes talking and blabbing away for YouTube people. I think it's enough. Okay. Let's call it a live stream. I don't know. Shitcoins here on Dex Screener. If you want to see this W on Arena, it's up to you. If you don't. 10 million market cap for a project like Arena. It's not bad. It's not great, not terrible. There are some ideas there. Some W's trying to form exactly like on everything else. A W is trying to form on Arena. If we'll go on, let's see, Griffin, I think has the same. No, it's weaker. So wait a little bit for Griffin. This one is trying to do a W here. You can see 4-hour W, 4 candles, but it's trying at least. It's fighting 6 million market cap. If you trust this project, you can. It's a good area to attempt along there. Okay, I think it's a good level. Who knows? People, us on Crypto Traders Arena, we have a saying, and we are not saying it just because sounds nice. Treat market like a business. That's your part. And then the market will treat you like a king. Do your fucking part and let the market do her part. Don't expect the market to treat you like a king because your name is, I don't know, Sebastian or Tag Life or Russian Menace or Stefan or Paul J. Okay? We'll take your money fast. Do your job, treat market like a business, and then you will not be part of the public. You'll still be retail, but not part of the public. You'll be on the same side with smart money, yeah, with market makers, with the banks, with the big guys. We can teach you how to do that. We opened the registration for Capo 1. So we'll start in the middle of the year, I think, after May. We have to finish this program and then to start the next one. What you'll get as a bonus if you register now, well, you'll get free access on Premium until the program will start. When you pay, you get free access until the program will start. If the program will start 1 month later, you'll have Premium access, so you'll be part of our community. Okay, if you know what you're doing and you want to sharpen your tools, well, then you have Capua 2. You can look at this site and see what we offer here. It's not a PDF document. Okay, it's not something you'll learn in 1 day. Capua 2 is 3 months, Capua 1 is 4 months. And you can ask the people that they are in the program. It's not for beginners. It's not easy, not for beginners. Capua 1 is for beginners. But it's 4 months. Yeah? You want to be successful? Well, it's easy to say I want to be successful. It's harder to really start to do something. It's up to you. Okay? Only referral we accept in Crypto Traders Arena. You know we don't accept anything. We accept only from insiders, from our members. So, if a premium member or a VIP member has a friend and wants to join Capua 1, for example, has a referral of 10%. And the guy who's joining Capua 1 will have 5%. Okay? Well, hardest part, but it's exactly what a trader does every day, Jade. Sorry. I'm framing the market every day, and sometimes I'm staying and looking at the market and framing again and looking from different perspectives, and I'm not taking a trade. A trader 90% of the time is just watching the chart and not doing anything. That's the job description. People imagine, well, I'm shorting, I'm buying, nah, fuck it. You can see how much I waited for Bitcoin, for example, here. Okay? Or for Ethereum. I was talking yesterday about it, and last night when I was sleeping, I got this level. So, it's not so, well, I'll trade long and short, 20 trades a day, 100 trades a day, and I'm working for CZ, and I'm not making money, and I'm destroying my account. No, I'm patiently waiting for my level. You want to be a sniper, not a gunner. Okay? I don't know if I said it okay in English, but you get the idea. You want to be a sniper. When you have the best opportunity, then you want to deploy your money, enter the market. Not a gunner. Everything you throw bullets and trades all over the market and you are losing money. What, Sebastian? Pew pew. Exactly, Sebastian. Pew pew. Boom boom. And they want to make money. And actually they are just fucking around. Yeah, so pew pew, bam bam, boom boom. You get the idea. And they think they are traders. Well, look at me. No, a fucking trader will sit like a sniper. And I don't know. Study what a sniper does. A sniper is able to stay multiple days without moving, pissing and shitting himself, just to don't give up his position. Okay? It's not, well, a sniper is shooting. No, actually, the sniper is patient. If a fighter knows how to shoot, but he's not patient, cannot be a sniper. Okay, people, we are talking stupid things from now on. It's enough. Yeah, 40 minutes from my side. Treat market like a business. That was the idea here. Yeah, treat market like a business, and the market will treat you like a king. That's the main idea. I want you to leave you this at the end. That being said, let's call it a live stream. Join us if you are not. Join us on Discord, and you can find the rest later. If you want. If you don't join us. I don't necessarily want you to be there if you are not serious. Okay? See you today in the New York session. The last thing. Today in the New York session, I don't know if I'll be able to participate. If I'll not be able to join, Stefan will be in my place. Yeah? So you'll have Stefan. You can ask him questions. Some of you prefer Stefan. It's not the same as me, so some of you prefer Stefan. Yeah? If I'll be able to join, I'll join in the middle of the live stream. I don't know. Depending when I'll get back home. Okay, see you next time, people. Bye-bye.